Hi gorgeous people, my name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you how to do subliminal ethereal smoky eye but with a pop of color. It's gonna be major. I'm gonna use my favorite Mothership one, and I love this one not only because Pat signed it, but I love the color story inside. It's perfect for my skin tone, and you have those neutral mattes, you have this mesmerizing blue and those super unique color shifters, and this one at the end here, astral white, is beyond pretty. It looks like it was made from unicorn horns. And as you can see, depending how the light's gonna hit this, it's gonna change its color. I'm obsessed. Oh, you know what? I've actually lied. My favorite eyeshadow palette from Pat is Mothership 4, but it was discontinued before I could get this, so Mother, please bring this back. I already did my base off camera. I've used Skin Fetish Highlight and Balm Duo in shade Nude. And this is this double-sided stick. On one side you have of course creamy highlight, and on the other side you have clear balm, which is infused with aloe and argan oils and hyaluronic acid. And I've used the clear balm in those areas when you normally apply highlight, but I apply this underneath my foundation, so when I put my foundation on top I have this divine dewiness. And if you wanna amplify this a little bit more, you can always build this. And I love this product because it's so versatile. You can use this in so many different ways. The clear balm you can use as a lip balm as well, like I'm using right now. And if you want to do like a wet look on the eyes, you can use this one. And of course highlighting stick you can use as a highlight, like a creamy eyeshadow on, dab a little bit on the lips. And before I'm gonna do my eyes, just make sure to click that subscribe button. It's free. Go ahead. I support you. So I'm gonna start with Ultimate Taupe, this shade over here, and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyes. It will even out the skin shade on my eyes, and it will be the base for the seamless transition later on. And whenever you want to do effortless makeup, no makeup, you can just apply this shade all over your eyes and add a little bit of the darker taupe named Depth, the one over here, to outer corners to give a little bit more dimension to the eye. Pop a little bit mascara and you are ready to go. For my main shade I'm gonna use Lilac Dusk, the one over here, and I'm gonna apply this with a finger. Just effortlessly apply this all over my lid. And this is actually a great technique when you are in the rush. You can just dip into the palette, smudge the eyeshadow all over the eye. It will take you 5 seconds and it looks major and you are ready to conquer the world. And with the smaller brush I'm gonna apply the same shade all over my lower lash line. And by the way, if you want to blend this a little bit more, you can again use your finger. It will blend so seamlessly into the skin. Oh, and by the way, can we have a moment and admire the packaging? It's so stunning. It's quite heavy, so you feel it's like a luxury product. You have the gold embroidery here, you have the facette mirror inside, and the gold plate at the back. Whenever I'm using this, I feel rich. And speaking about packaging, just have a look at Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil. Oh, you have this like Japanese moment here. I'm gonna use the pencil in shade Extreme Black. Oh, and by the way, all eye pencils come with a sharpener. We all need that extra tool. And as you can see, mine is halfway done already. That's why, you know, I really love this, because I'm using this almost every day. And the eye pencils, they glide on the eyes so smoothly and they are waterproof. So when you apply them, you have a moment to smoke them out, but if you give them like a minute to dry, they wouldn't smudge, they wouldn't move, they would literally stay all day. So if you want to do a smoky eye with a pencil, I would recommend to do one eye at a time, just like I'm gonna do right now. And I'm just gonna apply this on my lash line and quickly blend this. I give it a minute to dry and see, it wouldn't smudge at all. Love that. Let's play with some color shifters. I'm gonna use Virtual Reality Violet, this insane shade. Depending how the light's gonna hit this, it's gonna go from brown to peachy to pink, blue. I'm so obsessed. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna put this in my crease and basically go around my eye and a little bit on my lower lash line. You can of course use a smaller brush if you want to be more precise, but I want to smoke the eye basically all over my face. With even bigger fluffy brush, I'm gonna dig into shade Astral White and I'm gonna apply this all over my eye, underneath my brow bone, a little bit above, and take this even down here.
Don't I look pretty?
With a small brush and quick spritz of MAC Fix Plus, I'm gonna go back to Astral White, and this one I'm gonna apply in my inner corner. Oh, and by the way, all the shades from the palette you can use wet and dry. And we are almost done, but I promise you a pop of color, so that's what we're gonna do. And again, I'm gonna wet my brush and I'm gonna dig into Blitz Blue, this mesmerizing blue from the palette. I'm just gonna place a little dot in the middle of my lower lash line. And on top of the blue, I'm gonna apply a little bit of Astral White. So the eyes are almost done, we just need a little bit of mascara, and I'm gonna use Fetish Eye Mascara, and again, packaging is incredible, it's so futuristic, so minimalistic. Just gonna take my mascara out. And don't you just love when brand not only delivers the amazing formula, but make sure that the packaging is incredible as well. It makes a whole experience when you use the product. And mascara comes with this straight wand, so it will distribute the even amount of product all over your lashes, and it was designed to give you whatever lash look you want. You can apply just 1 or 2 layers if you want this natural but just extreme black lashes. You can apply few layers to leave them and curl them. You can sculpt them in whatever direction you want. And if you want to get creative, you can also do this with this mascara. You can apply a few more layers to create this spider leg effect look. Or you can tweak your lower lashes to create this 60 twiggy look. So basically one mascara that does it all. I've applied a little lash for that, you know, little extra. And now I'm gonna do my brows. And again, I'm gonna dig into Mothership 1 palette. I'm gonna use those 2 taupey shades. And with my brow brush, I'm just gonna make my brows a little bit more bearable. The brows are done, and you know what they say, they should not be twins but sisters, and mine are not even distant cousins. They basically bump into each other on the farmer's market, but I guess that's what you get for over tweezing in the high school. And see, I love how versatile this palette is. You can do your eyes, you can do your brows, you can even contour with this, or you can use the light shades for highlight. So this is like full face palette. And for final touches, I'm gonna go for the product that I'm most obsessed about, and this is a Lip Fetish Lip Balm in shade Love Supreme. And of course you can use it on the lips, as the name says. But also you can use this as a creamy blush, just like I'm gonna use right now. Just take a bit on your finger and dab all over your apples of the cheeks, and it will give you this nice pinky glow. And Pat lip balms are infused with soothing emollients, vitamins and antioxidants, so they will protect your lips or skin from free radicals, and they will restore the softness of your lips. And I personally love when you have makeup and skincare in one packaging. And again, the packaging is beyond cute. Those gold lips, obsessed. And this is my final look, the subliminal smoky eye. It was very easy, and we actually used just a few products because those are so multitasking. Love that. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye!